Don't move it too much, okay? So hey guys, we just got an Xmaxx. Apparently these things are flying off the shelves, so I went and decided to get one, and we're gonna open it up. Let's see. Watch out, buddy. Hi, Mr. D. What's up? And this thing is huge. I can't put it on my bench, so it's upside down. So I have to do it on the floor. There we go. So there it is. Watch out, buddy. There it is. Xmaxx. Yep. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Look at the size of this thing. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. So that's how it comes out of the box. This you got your, looks like a TQI controller, Bluetooth capable, right there. Put that right here for now. That right there. See what else is in the box.
The wheels.
Let's see, how do you get this thing out? Okay. So let's see, what's it? Okay. So there's like little tabs on the box. There we go. Let's go. Look at that. It looks like it's tied down by some straps, cable ties. They got the suspension compressed down. So I'm gonna cut that open. So hold on, I'm gonna get the cutters. Oh, there's the instructions and all the other stuff. So let me get the cutters. I don't want to use my knife. Oh, look how big this thing is. Yeah, it'll help. Cut that right there. There you go. The suspension pops right up. Here, buddy, hold it. There we go. Put that right there. Down there. And you got these gigantic cable ties.
You switch it to take it off? You switch this to take it off?
Yes. Guys, I recommend using one of these to cut these massive looking cable ties. Yeah, I prefer using these than the knife, because the knife, you know, I don't, it's a little sketchy with a knife. Easy now, buddy.
Trying.
There we go. Oh, there it is.
Needs 2 batteries.
There you go.
It needs 4 batteries.
Yeah, right now we only have, we're going to run it on the 6S right now. Yeah, I couldn't get the battery. We can do that some other time. But let's just do a comparison real quick. This is, let's look at my 110. My Slash. Looks like a little baby next to it. Look at those massive tires. Flip it sideways. Pick it up. Oh, look at that. Let me grab a tire real quick. Look at that. Just look at it. Yeah, this is definitely a whole different level right here. Never had anything this huge before. We'll see.
I think all the wheels move at the same time.
Well, put it back down. Well, everybody, yeah, we're gonna charge up the battery pack and see how it goes. We're gonna have plenty of videos with this, and my buddy, he's got one too. So we'll see. Until next time, see you.